YouTube, it's your girl Lips and Lashes here with another tutorial. It's Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. I got a whole lot of gifts under that tree. I'm looking forward to opening tomorrow. It's gonna be great. I don't know what's under there, but I'm super excited to find out. So I know I'm a little late, but I wanted to help you girls get a nice makeup tutorial, festive, fun. If you have a Christmas Eve party to go to, you're gonna love this look. If you just want to look super fabulous for Christmas, you're gonna love this look. So just stay tuned, keep watching, and let's get right into the makeup. Okay, you guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna take my Jaclyn Hill palette, the original one, and we're gonna go into the color Mix, which is a nice gold, shimmery, dark color. And I'm just taking a little bit of that and I'm gonna blend that directly into my crease. I want this look to be really glowy. That's why I'm using a shimmer as a transition. We want a nice glowy look. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna blend this directly into our crease. Okay, next we're gonna take a small flat brush and we're gonna go into this beautiful green color right here. And we're gonna pack that all over our crease lid. It's called Enchanted. And I'm not blending, I'm just packing. Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna go into my Rimmel London palette into this beautiful green shade right here and a flat packer brush. And we're just gonna go in and I'm gonna spray it like that. And we're gonna pop this all over this empty space we left here. Next, we're gonna take this Urban Decay Relish shade, and we're gonna take a smaller blending brush, and we're gonna use this for our lower lash line. And I'm just trying to pack on this color. Getting real colorful, guys. And you'll see why I decided to go with the red in just a little bit. How's you guys' Christmas going? I'm super excited about Christmas. Been feeling real superficial around my house because everybody's ready for their gifts, but who's not ready for their gifts? Okay, girls, before I go in to my liner and lashes, that's what the tape is for, I'm gonna use Golden Flower Crown from Wet n Wild for my inner corner highlight today. And we're gonna pop that right in the inner corner. Ooh. We looking real holiday-ish, guys. Hey. I'm really loving this red and green. It's really popping. And that's gonna marry the whole look together. Okay, now quickly, because I usually do my lashes and eyeliner off camera, I'm gonna do it on camera today so you guys have a good sense of what I do. I don't always do the tape method, but for the sake of this video and wanting it to come out perfect, I'm gonna do it today. So this is the Milani Infinite Liquid Liner, and I like to take some and just sit it right here on the side of the cap, scrub off the excess and sit on the cap. And this is what I'm gonna use to even do the line. I'm gonna just keep dipping into here, just the tip of my brush. And because we filled in our waterline with liner, I'm not gonna go all the way. Well, let me take this tape off so you guys can see. There we go, perfect wing. Now I'm gonna take my lash boosting serum from Maybelline, and I'm applying this all over my lashes, top and bottom. Now I'm going to take the mascara Lash Sensational Maybelline mascara and applying this all over my top and bottom lashes. Really coat that up, you guys. You want a real dramatic glam look. You guys, I went ahead and put my lashes on. So this is the completed eye look, and I also finished my base off camera. If you guys want to see a video on my base, you're gonna have to comment, send me a message on Insta, whatever. But it's just a typical contour, whatever. Next, I'm gonna go in with some highlighter, and I'm gonna use dark for my skin tone, but I really like the rose gold it has. And I'm just packing that on. Let's do the same thing to the other side. Little on the nose, little on my lips. Okay, now I'm gonna take the other one, golden flower crown, swirl my brush in there, and pack that on top. Same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to take my fan brush and just kind of blend those two together. Okay, next we're going to take our Smashbox liquid lipstick in the color Moscow Mule. And we're gonna place this all over our lips. Okay, you guys, what do you guys think? This is the completed look. Did we Christmas slay or nah? I think we did. I'm loving this look. Okay, you guys have a merry Christmas. Enjoy your holiday, and I'll see you guys in the next video.